Hey, all you viewers, been named later. How we doing today? This one is a viewer request from a while ago, but I had to get it in. Today's review is on the very first beard oil I have ever used. Seriously. It's by Grenade Soap Co. It's their Broot Beard Tactical Beard Oil. Alright, I gotta start it this way. There's nothing tactical about a beard oil. There's not. Okay? I get it's a marketing tool, I get it's a marketing gimmick, but still. Like I said, this is the first one I ever used. Not this bottle, alright? But this company's one is the first one I ever used on my beard journey. I got this from a Battlbox mission. I think it was 26, and it was their dopp kit where they put a bunch of hygiene and cleaning things in there. If you're curious about that, take a look right up top. I'm going to leave a card for every single Battlbox I've ever brought to the channel. You'll find mission 26 up there, and you can see the other good stuff that came in that mission. Now, you can find these guys at www.grenadesoapco.com. Now, I like when I go to their website now, it says it was featured in, like, Men's Health, Maxim, and Esquire magazine. Okay. Big deal. It's just, for me, big deal. Now, they say that a portion of the proceeds, and I believe it's on here somewhere, too. Nope, not on the bottle. Sorry, I thought it was. They say a portion of the proceeds are given to military and law enforcement charities, which I think is really, really cool. Now, it says it's made in the USA, but, okay. With all the crap about dropship companies and everything else, I can't really narrow it down if Battlbox does this in-house. And I say Battlbox because Battlbox owns Grenade Soap Co. But, you know, Battlbox is based out of Georgia, so we'll just go along those lines. Now, this was developed by Brendan Kern, or as you may know him, he is the face of the Battlbox reviews. He is currently a star on Battlbox's new thing on Netflix, Southern Survival, and he has his own YouTube channel as Kern1776. Now, on their web store, it says it's made with 100% natural food grade oils. Okay. Now, it's supposed to smell like root beer. I never really got the root beer scent. I would get a vanilla, I'd get a vanilla sugar cookie, or I'd get some weird, like, it's there but it's not there. I never really got root beer in this at all. And it seriously only lasted me about 2 to 4 hours, you know, where I could smell anything in beard. Did great work, but still. Alright, it has a real heavy golden tinge, and it's like medium bordering severely on lightweight. It really, truly is. Now, here's the part that kills me, okay? I'm going to show you there on the bottle. The ingredients, they put the scientific names. Seriously, they really did. And over on their web store, hold on, let me pull it up. You guys can freeze frame that if you want to. Scientific names. But I'm like, why can't you just put down like grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and tocopherols? You know, and they had like vanilla planifolia, citrus paradisea, and cedrus atlantica. I really didn't even bother looking up those. I only looked up the first couple and went, okay, I'm kind of curious. So as far as I can tell, there are no essential or fragrance oils in this bottle. Wait, did I may have skipped over it, sorry. 1 ounce amber bottle, eyedropper top, $18.99. So it's on the higher end of the usual price point with beard oil. Okay. It works. It didn't do anything bad to my beard at all. You know, it's different using a beard oil that didn't have any essential fragrance blends in there. I would really like to know where it was made, you know. I love the video with Kern for that Battlbox thing where he's talking about he worked with like the top scientists in the nation to develop this. I'm like, I know you're kidding, but come on, man. There's going to be somebody out there who actually believes that you're working with top scientists to develop a beard oil. Yeah. Listen, not bad. Would it be in my top 10 go-to list? No. It wouldn't. I hate saying it this way. It's a step above Cremo, in my opinion. Not saying Cremo is bad. Cremo's a great beginner beard oil. Like when you go to a big box store and you're not sure what to buy, you pull that off the shelf, you buy it, and you start working it in, and then you go down your beard journey and start other things. I'm not slamming the company. I'm just giving you the best honest review I can on this. And I'm not going to go into the other parts like I usually do about how to use it, what it's for, that kind of stuff. I think you guys know that by now. I wanted to shoot this review because it's been heavily requested what was my very first, and there it is. After this, I went to another company that I've already reviewed, and speaking of all those wonderful beard oils, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You'll find them in there. All right? It was a great introduction, and it's probably just going to collect dust, or I'm going to give it away to somebody. I am. But I know this review is a little bit different than the ones I usually do, because normally I'm pretty upbeat, pretty positive. I'm like, yeah, man, this is great. This is wonderful. No. Perfect introduction and current. I'm sorry, man. I'm not trying to harsh on you at all. Because, like, well, you guys have my address, and it'd be really weird to see a redneck Sasquatch showing up at my front door trying to kill me. But still, I got to do it like this, guys. I want to know all your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used Grenade Soap Co. before? Have you even heard of them before? You know, do you have any experiences with them? That kind of fun stuff. But that's kind of how we're going to leave the video, guys. I mean, seriously, you're going to see the usual stuff popping up on the sides, little subscribe, little videos. This video is just totally different. I had to shoot this one. I'll be honest, really wasn't sure what I was going to say other than it works. It's a step above Cremo, in my opinion. And I probably would not buy this one again. It's just me. But guys, I hope you're having a wonderful and safe day today.